Now we will talk about the Antarctica continent. Yes, Antarctica continent, that one is also one continent. I have told you already, and that one is the fifth largest continent in the world. And this one is the driest continent in the world. Why driest? Because if you will see its geographical location on that time, you can understand. Actually, it is located in the southern portion of the world. Now see here, this one is the globe and this portion. All of you see here the little bit yellow portion is being visible. So this one is our Antarctica. Which one? About which one we are talking now. So this one, the Antarctica. So definitely on that region the sun rays are not able to reach. That's why most of the portion, almost 98% of this continent is being covered with ice. And that, do you know the thickness of the ice? That one is 1.6 kilometer. Yes, thickness of the ice is 1.6 kilometer. Throughout the year it happens. And that's why any one of the person, that means the people, they are not able to reside there. This is the only continent where no people are residing. Then who are residing there? Yes, someone is there. Who are they? Few flora, few fauna, and some penguins, some seals, few kind of fungi, that means the tundra vegetation. In your book they have given that the tundra vegetation and several types of algae. First I want to say that the flora. Flora means who are able to, who are sustained in the cold weather. Few kind of plants. Yes. And the fauna. Who are the fauna? Fauna means same thing criteria. They should sustain the cold weather and they are one kind of animals. Penguin, all of you know about the penguin. Do you know? Yes, these are the penguin. And some seals are also there. They are able to sustain into that condition. That means that climate, very cold climate, they are able to stay. But the human people, they are not able to sustain there. If any one of you will go, then what can be happen? You think and say me. I am not available to you, say to your teacher or your mother. So now we will discuss about the geographical location of the Antarctica. See here the Antarctica is there. That means its portion, that means only the north portion. If you will see, the southern ocean is there. Southern ocean, and because of that reason only, the another name of the southern ocean is what? Can you remember? Arctic Ocean. Yes, that one is the Arctic Ocean, and this ocean is being located into the South Pole. South Pole means this pole. I have told you this pole is called the South Pole, the lower one. And this one is called the North Pole. Our Earth has two poles. This one is North, this one is South. And the Antarctica, that one is located around the South Pole. And definitely in this condition, this is not able to stay. That means any one of the human being, they are not able to sustain. That's why no one is residing here. Already I have told you. So this all about this continent. Next we will talk about the Europe. Yes, Europe. That one is the second smallest continent in the world. That means you can see here, this one is the Europe. The orange color, this one is the Europe. Now you can see here its east portion. Who is there? Which continent? Asia. The first one we did now, that one. And this one, the Asia is the largest continent in the world, and the Europe is the second smallest continent in the world. And the little amount of very water bodies are also there, little seas, and you can see the south portion. Who is present there? South portion, little amount, that means little portion of the south is also being surrounded by the Asia, and here the Africa also isn't. And see here little amount of seas are there. So this kind of seas are also you have to consider. Which sea? The Mediterranean. You learn about the Mediterranean Sea and the Arctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Where the Atlantic Ocean? See here the Atlantic Ocean. Where is it? The Atlantic Ocean, that means the west portion of the continent. So this one is the geographical location of the Europe. Now the next thing is there, that the Black Sea. Where is it? See here, this one is the Black Sea. See here, this one is the Black Sea. This one, Black Sea, is also one boundary. The Black Sea is also coming into the boundary of the Europe. And one more thing you can understand here, definitely this region, that means this continent, that one is don't have that kind of versatility. Yes, this one don't have. Like the North America, the South America, it doesn't has. Is it? No, see here with respect to this one is a very big location and this one is very small location. So that's why that many kind of versatility not being observed here. So you can understand that in the east portion of the Europe there is a Asia, that means that one is a one continent. But how they are being separated? Yes, they are being separated with Ural river. Yes, that one, there is a one river. The name of the river is Ural river, and the Caspian Sea is also there. The Caspian Sea and the Ural river, how they are being separated, you are able to see here, isn't? So there are one boundary between them also. And one more thing, there are Danube, that one is the second largest river. Yes, second largest river in the Europe, and that one is flowed through the 12 countries. Not only 1, 2, 3 like that, 12 countries. So that one is definitely very big. But one more thing, already I have told you that it is the location of the Europe is not very big. That's why the climate is not being changed that much. If you will go towards the north portion, on that portion the climate will be very long winter, that means longer winter, and the less, that means the short summer. Yes, it is varying from one place to another place. And if you will come to the southern portion, on that means this portion, on that time what will happen? The summer will be more, that means longer summer and the shorter winter. In this way you can understand, and throughout the continent the weather becomes mild, not very high, not very low even. And one more thing is also there. Do you know about the these European countries? Yes, they was very strong, not only economically, they was very dominating. If you will visit the history, they was dominating in the throughout the world. Yes, and they spread their different culture, the unique civilization, ethical values also, they spread in the different worlds. That means throughout the world they spread. And one more thing, there was the well known, very dominator also. So in this way we can recognize them. Otherwise in this continent different kind of economically richest countries are also situated. Do you know what they? Yes, the That one is the London. Yes, London is being present here, being located here. So this continent is economically tremendously rich, very rich. So you have to keep in mind. So first thing I have told you that the Asia, that one is the biggest continent in the world. Second one, the Africa, that one was the second largest continent in the world. Third one, that one was the South America, that one was the third largest continent in the world. Next, the North America, that one was the fourth largest continent in the world. Next, I told you about the Antarctica, that one was the fifth largest continent in the world. Now I told you about the Europe, that one was the, see here, just little bit bigger than the Australia. Yes, so that one was the second smallest continent in the world. Now it's the time to read about the Australia. Which one is the smallest continent in the world? That means if you will see here, now have a look here, it is very small with respect to the North America, Asia, Africa, South America, Antarctica even. Our Australia is small, very small, but that one is also one continent. And one more thing is there. Do you know, are you able to see the New Zealand, the small island? Are you able to see? The small island, the island, New Zealand, that one also, and the Australia, both of them together called the Oceania or the Australasia. Yes, Oceania or the Australasia. So these two together are called one thing. And one more thing, there are two kind of theory. In one theory, people believe that New Zealand is the another portion. That means that land is not belong to that. That means the main part Australia. That one is belonging to the another land. So they should not consider this. But few of them, they are asking to that this one is a one part of the Australia. So there is a one different kind of opinion also. So we should not talk about the different opinion. So whatever may be, geographically they are very closer to each other. And one more thing, the Australia, if you will see its location, it is little bit into the down portion. That means which portion? That one is the southern portion. Southern portion, and if you will see, that one is one tropic is there. Through this continent, one tropic is there. That's why this region is called the tropical region also. And throughout the year, in the north portion of this continent, the summer is being observed. They are feeling the warm or the hot climate. And if you will see the southern portion, that portion is not that much hot. That portion is little bit cold or mild weather, you can say, or the warm summers also you can say. And one more thing, do you know that the New Zealand, that one is not being considered as a part of Australia? Yes, few people, they are thinking that that one is a part of one another continent, which one is submerged by the water. What is the name of the continent? Zealandia. Yes, I didn't discuss about this, but that one is submerged. That's why I didn't. But the people are believed like that. So whatever may be,